Good morning everybody, it's Jamie here. Welcome to Disney's Beach Club Resort. Today we are heading to Cape May restaurant for an all-you-care-to-eat breakfast. So follow me, I'm going to show you around the menu, how to get a reservation, how to check in, and what the food's like. So the Beach Club is one of Disney's deluxe resorts. It's absolutely beautiful, has its own beach, go figure. It's on a lake opposite the boardwalk, great location. Currently, you can reserve a table at Cape May Café via the My Disney Experience app or the disneyworld.disney.go.com website 60 days in advance. Via the app, click on the plus sign at the bottom of the homepage, then click Check Dining Availability. Next up, choose your party size, when you want to dine, and as if by Disney magic, the available restaurant dining times will appear. You're nearly there. Click on the time you want and provide your email, cell phone number, and credit card details to secure your reservation. When it's time to dine and you're near the restaurant, you can check in online using your app rather than wait in line. Simply click check in, indicate the size and makeup of your party, share any mobility, dietary, or celebratory requests, and you are all set. So within about 5 minutes of checking in on the app, we've had a push notification through to say our table's ready. So we're just going to go and head up to the check-in area and enjoy a breakfast. So the Cape May restaurant is directly to the right of reception as you come in. Just waiting to go in. Here's a quick peek at what you can expect from the breakfast buffet. Sounds good. And in we go. It's certainly a very popular choice for breakfast. Woo, it's humongous. And who doesn't want a Cape May Café sipper for breakfast? Vodka, orange, pepper vodka. And I'm guessing if you don't want regular coffee, you can purchase a specialty as well. Loving the parasols all the way around the outside. Nice and colourful. So the first thing we've seen on offer is tofu vegetables, seasonal vegetables, and breakfast potatoes, which look really good actually. We've even got steak and eggs, flour tortillas. You have assorted fruits, yogurt, salad with almond and coconut. We've got Parker House rolls, grain mustard, cranberry mayonnaise. We've got a carving station, there's some smoked ham. And don't worry if you are a grits fan. Oh, we've got oatmeal as well. It's all here for you. These bad boys are poached egg on potato hash, so looks great. Thank goodness for tater tots. I wish they did these in the UK more often. Love them. Oh my days. And we also have an Omelette Station. This is awesome. Ta-da! One Western omelette for me. Lucky boy. Right, we're back at the table and good to see that we've got a jug of coffee arrived. This is Pog juice, which has orange, pineapple and guava. And this bread sounds unholy but amazing. It's salted caramel bread. Okay, I'm not allowed to have added sugar to things, so sorry. I'm just gonna have a tiny little try of this. Love that bread. Not too sweet actually. Little kick of cinnamon, just a tiny bit of caramel, a little bit of salt. A win. First time for Pog juice. That is totally tropical. Not too sweet either. Like that. This tastes really fresh. Well, it is. It's just been homemade. Delicious. Should be enough coffee. Moment of truth. Here we go. Oh, Actually, that's a good one. Yeah. This is a reason why you need to look carefully before you choose. Matthew just found some hollandaise sauce as well for the poached egg. Let's do another break open test and see what this is like. Oh, oozing. French toast, pancakes, and Matthew does like a lot of syrup. There we go. And just how many Disney dollars is this feast gonna set you back? And the all-important cost. Here we go. We like to pay with our magic bands. Look, you can just see how big the restaurant is from the outside as well. Looks so cool. And there you have it, breakfast at Cape May Café. Is it worth the price tag? We felt it was actually. Yeah, it's not cheap, fair enough, but for eat all you want, good quality food, all your drinks included, unless you have the dreaded alcohol, of course. Fantastic service. We had a lady called Stephanie who was awesome, really friendly, really efficient. We thought it was a great experience actually, and we would definitely come back. Wouldn't mind trying the dinner, but what do you think? Drop your comments below as always. Love to hear from you, and as always, thank you for watching. There's always the next time. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow Travel Blog Jamie on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube.